Hey everybody, this is Ray Halstead and Patricia Nass with REH CPA. Today we want to talk about credit card rewards. Patty, what can you tell us about credit card rewards? Are they taxable? Just give us some insight into that.
Sure. So it kind of depends on what rewards you're talking about, right? Most people, you'll get maybe 1% or 5% back on your credit card for purchases that you're making. And so those rewards that you get based on purchases, what the IRS said in their guidance is that they reduce the basis in what you're buying. So in essence, it's like a reduction or, a discount to what you've purchased. So generally for an individual, it's not taxable income. It's really just if you went to the grocery store, instead of paying $100, you paid $99 on it. So they don't see that as taxable income in that case.
Are there any situations in which those rewards would be taxable?
Sure. So if you get rewards for signing up maybe with a credit card or something else that's not based on a purchase itself. So, credit card companies sometimes say, hey, sign up with us, or a bank account that says, we'll give you a reward if you deposit $500 in here. Basically, you're not spending the money and getting a discount on it. You're just getting, free money for just putting, signing up. So those are taxable income to you.
So what about if it's a business credit card and you get rewards for the things that you purchase for your business? Is it taxable then?
So technically, it's not taxable. However, because it's reducing your expenses, if you have $10,000 in expenses and $400 in rewards, you have to almost reduce those expenses by the rewards. So in essence, you're not getting a $10,000 deduction. You're getting a $9,600 deduction on that.
So what about employees who use their own personal credit card for, let's say, business purchases and get reimbursed by their employer?
Yeah, so
Does that make sense?
Yeah, so in that situation, like you just mentioned, if I use my credit card, pay for something, and the employer reimburses me, and now I get points on that, and I get rewards. Those rewards are technically taxable because it's not my burden of a purchase to be made. So that you should really track, and that should be included in income.
Well, really good information, Patty. So if you've got questions surrounding credit card rewards and how they should be treated if you're a business or if you're an individual, feel free to give us a call and we'll help you out. Thanks.